fourfold increase from just 2 years ago when gold reserves stood at 8.78 tons in May 2023. Since then, the central bank has consistently added to its stockpile month on month, reflecting a strategic shift toward bolstering foreign exchange reserves and reducing reliance on the US dollar. The data shows that the Bank of Ghana added 0.83 tons in June alone, following a steady climb in the first 5 months of 2025. In total, the central bank has added over 10 tons of gold to its reserves since January this year. Analysts say the sustained build-up not only strengthens Ghana's financial buffers, but also positions the country favorably among global economic uncertainty.
Welcome to African Spotlight 24, your premier source for news and current affairs from across the continent. We're glad you're here. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, like, and turn on notification to stay up to date with the latest news and analysis. Your support helps us reach more people. Disclaimer: the content of this video is based on credible, publicly available information and is intended for educational, analytical, and informational purposes only. African Spotlight 24 does not promote hate, violence, misinformation, or political unrest. Our goal is to deliver thoughtful insights, highlight local voices, and encourage informed conversations throughout Africa.
The gold reserve expansion is also expected to play a stabilizing role in the forex market, supporting the cedi and helping to manage inflationary pressures. It further complements government efforts to shore up confidence in Ghana's economic recovery following recent debt.
The gold sector of Ghana is booming like never before. Since the beginning of this year, between January and April, the country's gold revenue soared to an impressive $2.7 billion. This is more than 3 times what it earned in the same period just 2 years earlier. Not only that, but the amount of gold exported nearly quadrupled from roughly 7,500 kilograms in early 2023 to over 30,000 kilograms in just 4 months. These figures are not estimates or hopeful projections, but rather actual transactions tracked through Ghana's Customs Authority and recorded in the books of its central bank. This surge in gold exports has not only brought in much-needed foreign exchange to Ghana, but also created jobs and boosted the economy. So, what's behind this golden success story and how can other countries replicate it? In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about Ghana's recent gold boom and exploring the key factors that have contributed to this remarkable achievement. Before we delve into the topic, please support us by clicking on the like button and subscribing for more informative content. Let's start. The current administration took office in early 2021 after several years of economic hardship under the previous government. Among the most pressing challenges they faced was the declining fortunes of Ghana's once thriving gold sector. For decades, gold had been one of the country's most important exports, providing a vital source of income and employment. However, in recent years, the industry had suffered due to a combination of factors including low gold prices, high production costs, and illegal mining activities. Determined to revive the sector, the new government implemented a series of policies aimed at boosting production and improving the livelihoods of those working in the industry. One of the most significant steps they took was the introduction of a new tax regime designed to encourage investment in large-scale mechanized mining while cracking down on illegal miners. This measure helped to create a more level playing field for legitimate businesses and ensured that the benefits of the gold industry were shared more equitably among Ghanaians. In addition to these measures, the government also worked to improve the infrastructure and technology used in the gold sector. By investing in modern equipment and training for miners, they were able to increase productivity and reduce waste, ultimately leading to higher profits for the industry as a whole. Despite these efforts, however, the gold sector continued to face challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, which disrupted global supply chains and led to a sharp decline in demand for gold. Nonetheless, the government did not waver in their commitment to supporting the industry. They introduced measures to protect miners from the worst effects of the pandemic and to ensure that they could continue producing gold safely and efficiently. The results of these efforts are now evident in the dramatic surge in gold exports in 2023. In just the first 4 months of the year, Ghana exported over 30,000 kilograms of gold worth nearly $3 billion. This represents a significant increase over the previous year and is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the miners and industry workers. It also reflects the government's commitment to investing in the gold sector and creating a more prosperous future for Ghana. Despite this remarkable achievement, however, the government is not resting on its laurels. They are continuing to implement policies and programs to further boost the gold sector and ensure that Ghana remains a leading producer of gold in Africa. With their unwavering commitment to the industry and the hard work of the people, there is no doubt that Ghana's gold sector will continue to thrive in the years to come. Another major factor contributing to Ghana's gold rush is the recent increase in global gold prices. In 2023 alone, the price of gold has risen by over 10%, making it more profitable than ever for miners to extract and export the precious metal. This surge in prices has coincided with several other factors, including the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, which has disrupted global supply chains and fueled inflation. As investors seek to protect their assets, they have turned to gold as a safe haven investment, driving up its price even further. This increase in gold prices has had a direct impact on Ghana's gold industry, allowing miners to generate greater profits and make larger investments in their operations. Furthermore, the rising cost of living in many parts of the world has made it more expensive to produce gold, which has led to a decrease in supply. This has also contributed to the higher prices and created opportunities for Ghanaian miners who can produce gold at a lower cost. For example, according to reports, China, the world's largest gold producer, has seen its gold output drop by over 5% in 2023 due to increased production costs. Meanwhile, Ghana's gold production has remained steady, allowing the country to take advantage of the higher prices and increase its exports. It is important to note that the increase in global gold prices is not the only factor contributing to Ghana's gold rush. The government's investment in the industry, the adoption of new technologies, and the efforts to combat illegal mining have all played a significant role in boosting production and exports. Nonetheless, the rise in gold prices has provided a major tailwind for the industry, allowing Ghana to reap the benefits of a global trend and solidify its position as a major player in the gold market. As the global economy continues to face uncertainty, the price of gold is likely to remain high, providing Ghanaian miners with a favorable environment to grow their businesses and contribute to the country's economic development. Moreover, the implementation of measures to curb illegal mining activities has had a positive impact on the gold sector. In recent years, illegal mining, also known as galamsey, has been a major problem in Ghana. It not only undermines the efforts of legitimate miners, but also causes environmental damage and poses health risks to local communities. The government has taken steps to address this issue through a combination of law enforcement, public awareness campaigns, and alternative livelihood programs for those involved in illegal mining. These efforts have paid off as the crackdown on illegal miners has created a more level playing field for legal miners and allowed them to operate more efficiently. For example, the Minerals Income Investment Fund, or MIIF, a state-owned company responsible for managing Ghana's mineral resources, has been working to formalize small-scale miners and provide them with the necessary support to operate legally. This has resulted in an increase in the number of registered small-scale miners and a corresponding rise in gold production. Furthermore, The government's efforts to promote transparency and good governance in the gold sector have also contributed to the recent surge in exports. In 2023, Ghana published a report on its gold exports for the first time, providing detailed information on the volume and value of gold exports, as well as the companies involved in the trade. This move towards greater transparency has helped to build trust in the industry and attract foreign investment. Looking ahead, the future of Ghana's gold industry appears bright. The government's commitment to investing in the sector, coupled with the rise in global gold prices and the crackdown on illegal mining activities, has created a favorable environment for growth. However, it's essential for Ghana to continue implementing measures to promote good governance, transparency, and sustainability in the gold industry, to ensure that the benefits of the gold rush are heard by all Ghanaians and that the industry continues to thrive in the years to come. One notable challenge that Ghana's gold industry faces is the high cost of production, which can be attributed to various factors, including the use of outdated equipment, the lack of access to finance, and the difficulties in securing skilled labor. To address this issue, the government has implemented measures to promote the use of technology and innovation in the gold sector. For example, the Minerals Commission has launched a digital platform to improve the efficiency and transparency of the gold trading process. The platform allows miners to track the movement of their gold from the mine to the export market, reducing the chances of fraud and smuggling. Additionally, the government has been working to improve access to finance for small-scale miners who often lack the capital to invest in new equipment or expand their operations. Several initiatives have been launched to provide these miners with the necessary funding to improve their businesses and contribute to the growth of the gold sector. Moreover, the government has recognized the importance of investing in education and training to develop a skilled workforce for the gold industry. Several vocational training centers have been established to provide young people with the skills they need to secure jobs in the sector. These measures are essential to ensure that Ghana's gold industry remains competitive and can continue to contribute to the country's economic growth in the years to come. Overall, the recent surge in Ghana's gold exports is a remarkable achievement that can be attributed to a combination of factors, including the rise in global gold prices, the government's investment in the industry, and the crackdown on illegal mining activities. As Ghana continues to implement measures to promote transparency, good governance, and sustainability in the gold sector, it is poised to maintain its position as a leading producer of gold in Africa and a key player in the global gold market. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. By doing so, you'll be showing us your support, which we truly appreciate and cherish. Keep an eye out for more informative and entertaining content coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching African Spotlight 24, where we bring you Africa's stories as they happen when they matter most. If you found value in today's coverage, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from across the continent. We're here to inform, inspire, and amplify the voice of Africa, and we're just getting started. Until next time, stay informed, stay proud, and stay with African Spotlight 24, where Africa tells its story.